Face unlock and photo capture push-pull smart lock. P22. 3D face recognition. Fingerprint unlock. Card. And password unlock. Have doorbell. So when guests press it will auto-capture their photo. Send to your phone. You can check before. Remotely unlock the door. Temporary password. Can give to your guest or cleaner. Easily lock door by press button from outside. Or just set a timer for auto lock. Digital door viewer. When theft trying to hack your lock, it will freeze a few seconds and alert you by sending notifications. Manual handle and button to open from inside. Safety lock. Anyone cannot open from outside. When safety lock turn on. Lithium rechargeable battery. When runs out battery, can use key or power bank jumpstart. Aluminium alloy material. Love this P22. Text our team to grab one now.